Clarified butter is pure butterfat from which the milk solids and water have been removed. Regular butter is an emulsion of about 80% fat, 15 to 18% water, and 1 to 2% milk solids, which include proteins like casein and lactose sugar. The process of clarification involves gently melting unsalted butter and simmering it until the water evaporates and the milk solids separate. The solids sink to the bottom, and the clear golden liquid fat on top is carefully poured off or strained. Do like, comment, and subscribe this channel for more videos. This leaves you with 99 to 100% pure butterfat. Ghee. Ghee is a type of clarified butter that is cooked a bit longer until the milk solids caramelize at the bottom of the pan, giving the final product a richer, nuttier flavor and a slightly darker color. For all practical purposes in terms of health and cooking, ghee and clarified butter can be used interchangeably, though flavors differ slightly. Health benefits and effects on the human body. Clarified butter, particularly from grass-fed cows, is a nutrient-dense fat with several potential health benefits. High smoke point and lack of milk solids. The issue with regular butter burns at around 302 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, producing harmful free radicals and acrid smoke. The benefit of clarified butter. By removing the milk proteins, which are the parts that burn, the smoke point rises dramatically to 485 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius. This makes it exceptionally stable and safe for high-heat cooking, preventing the formation of harmful compounds. Rich in fat-soluble vitamins, clarified butter is an excellent source of vitamins A, D, E, and K2, especially when made from the milk of grass-fed cows. Vitamin A, crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin D, supports bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Vitamin K2, perhaps the most notable. K2 plays a critical role in directing calcium into bones and teeth and away from arteries, supporting cardiovascular and bone health. Contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. Butter from grass-fed cows is a good source of CLA, a type of fatty acid with researched potential benefits. May support modest fat loss and improve body composition. Has anti-inflammatory properties. May offer some protective benefits against certain types of cancer. Source of butyric acid, butyrate. Clarified butter contains butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid. Primary fuel for gut lining. Butyrate is the preferred energy source for the cells lining your colon, promoting a healthy gut barrier and reducing inflammation. Gut health. A healthy gut lining is essential for preventing leaky gut syndrome, which is linked to systemic inflammation and various autoimmune conditions. Lactose and casein. Free. Since the milk solids are removed, clarified butter is virtually free of lactose and casein. This makes it a safe and digestible fat option for individuals with lactose intolerance or a sensitivity to milk proteins. Stable saturated fats. While high in saturated fat, 62%, the view on saturated fat is evolving. The fats in clarified butter are very stable, meaning they are less prone to oxidation, rancidity, during cooking and storage compared to polyunsaturated seed oils. Oxidized fats can contribute to inflammation in the body. Digestive system. Butyrate directly nourishes the colon cells, improving digestion and gut integrity. The absence of irritants, lactose casein, makes it gentle for sensitive stomachs. Supports detoxification. Ghee is rich in butyrate and medium-chain fatty acids, which improve liver function by enhancing bile flow. Bile helps break down fats and flush toxins. Supporting natural detoxification pathways. Protects against fatty liver. Unlike refined seed oils, which overload the liver with unstable PUFAs, ghee provides stable saturated fats that don't oxidize easily. Studies suggest that moderate ghee consumption may help reduce fat deposition in the liver and protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Brain health. The brain is nearly 60% fat and requires a steady supply of healthy fats to function. Hormonal health. Cholesterol and saturated fats are essential building blocks for producing steroid hormones like cortisol, estrogen, and testosterone. A diet too low in fat can disrupt hormonal balance. Immune system. Vitamins A, D, and K2, along with butyrate, all play vital roles in regulating and supporting a robust immune response. Bone health. The synergistic effect of vitamins D and K2 in clarified butter helps shuttle calcium into the bones, increasing bone density and strength. Clarified butter as an alternative to cooking oils and seed oils. Feature: clarified butter, ghee seed oils, soybean, canola, sunflower, corn. Regular butter, olive oil, extra virgin, smoke point very high, tilde 485 degree F, 250 degrees Celsius. Medium high, varies tilde 450 degree F, low, tilde 302 degree F, 150 degrees Celsius. Medium tilde 375 degree F, 190 degrees Celsius. Stability excellent, low PUFA, poor, high PUFA, prone to oxidation. Poor, burns easily. Good, high MUFA, flavor. Rich, nutty, buttery, neutral, usually creamy, buttery, fruity, peppery, best for searing, frying, roasting, baking, low-heat applications, sauces, baking, low-heat sauté, salad dressings, low-heat sauté. Why it's a better alternative for high-heat cooking. Problems with seed vegetable oils. Oils like soybean, corn, sunflower, safflower, and canola are high in omega-6 polyunsaturated fats, PUFAs. Excess omega-6 causes inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic issues. Industrial processing of seed oils, refining, bleaching, deodorizing, creates trans fats and toxic byproducts. Butter is a traditional whole food fat with a simple production process. Oxidative stability. Industrial seed oils are very high in polyunsaturated fats, PUFAs. These fats are chemically unstable and easily damaged when exposed to heat, light, and oxygen. This damage creates free radicals and lipid peroxides, which are inflammatory and harmful to the body when consumed. Clarified butter is primarily saturated and monounsaturated fat, which are much more stable and resistant to this damage. You can substitute clarified butter for almost any other cooking fat. Sautéing and pan frying. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for cooking onions, garlic, vegetables, and meats over medium-high heat without burning. Roasting. Toss vegetables like potatoes, broccoli, or carrots in melted clarified butter before roasting for a rich, flavorful, and crispy result. Grilling. Brush it on meats, fish, or vegetables to prevent sticking and add flavor. Baking. It can be used in place of butter or oil in baked goods. Note, it will provide a richer, more buttery, and slightly nutty flavor compared to neutral seed oils. Calorie dense. Like all pure fats, it is high in calories, about 120 calories per tablespoon. It should be used in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Saturated fat content. If you have specific concerns about heart disease or your cholesterol levels, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional. However, modern science is increasingly questioning the direct link between saturated fat from quality sources and heart disease, focusing more on sugar, refined carbs, and overall inflammation. Source matters. Always opt for clarified butter or ghee made from the milk of grass-fed cows. This significantly enhances its nutritional profile, CLA, vitamins K2, etc., compared to grain-fed sources. Clarified butter is not just a cooking fat, it's a nutrient-rich traditional food that offers significant health benefits, particularly for gut, brain, and immune function. Its exceptional heat stability makes it a far healthier and safer alternative to industrial seed oils for most cooking methods, helping to reduce the intake of inflammatory oxidized fats. Clarified butter is not just a cooking fat, it's a nutrient-rich traditional food that offers significant health benefits, particularly for gut, brain, and immune function. Do like, comment, and subscribe this channel for more videos.